Number 9 on worksheet 49, we're going 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now, is counterclockwise, is that to the left or to the right? To the left. All right, we're going to the left. One way you can remember this is you left your keys on the counter. I don't know, maybe that helps. I leave my keys on the counter all the time, but you guys don't drive. I don't know, you guys still have keys. Left, counterclockwise. So, we've got, what is this, KLM? Yep. K, L, and M. K is at negative 3, 2. L is at negative 2, 5. And M is at negative 2, 1. We're going to find K prime, L prime, and M prime. I'm going to put my slide over the graph. What do I do after I put my slide over the graph? Just going to mark a plus at the origin. We're going to dot our points. I'm going to mark out K and L. And then we're going to turn this 190 degree turn to the left. Here we go, to the left, to the left. Boom. We line that plus back up. And we make our 3 dots. One right there. Bring it back over. One right there. And my last one all the way over here. L prime, K prime, M prime. Boom, boom, boom. L prime looks like it's at negative 5, negative 2. K prime is at negative 2, negative 3. And M prime is at negative 1, negative 2. Now, something interesting, again, this is going to play into our new lesson today that I notice here, is that K is negative 3, 2. K prime is negative 2, negative 3. L is negative 2, 5, but L prime is negative 5, negative 2. So we've got all the same numbers in our point, but we change the order and we change the sign, thank you, of one of those points. Which again is interesting. So that's number 9, 90 degrees counterclockwise. Number 10 is the same thing. Counterclockwise means we're going to the left. I'm going to erase my slide so we can restart this. I'm going to line up my plus at the origin. I'm going to make a dot at C, D, and E. And again, I'm going to turn this once to the left. To the left, to the left, all the way till our plus lines back up. I've got a dot all the way down at the bottom of my y-axis. Got E prime right there. D prime there. So this must be C prime. So C prime is at 0, negative 5. D prime is at negative 3, negative 4. And E prime is at 2, negative 3. I'm not going to worry about my pre-image coordinates because I'm sure you guys can figure that out on your own. But that's what we look like post-rotation for this one. All right. So we turned both of these triangles one turn over to the left, and that's where we end up. Now number 12 is like the warm-up. We're going 180 degrees. When we're going 180 degrees, remember the direction doesn't matter. As long as we go 2 full turns in the same direction. Slide over top, plus at the origin, dot my J, dot my K, dot my I, label 2 of them, and 2 turns. I'm going to go to the right. There's once to the right. That would be 90 degrees clockwise. Another 90 degrees clockwise. 90 plus 90 gives me, of course, 180. So my point I now is all the way at the top of my y-axis. I've got a point right there and a point right there. K prime, I prime, J prime. Boom, boom, boom. That's what my triangle looks like on that one. And again, just like the warm-up, anytime we rotate 180 degrees, we see that triangle directly opposite the original triangle. Right? We've got one over here in this quadrant, one up here in this quadrant. Right? They're opposite each other. But when we go 90 degrees, I'm going to use number 9 as an example, 90 degrees, my pre-image is in this quadrant, my image is in this quadrant. We can see that they end up right next to each other. It's a little bit harder to visualize that when we go in between two quadrants, but hopefully you see what I mean. 90 degrees, we're next to each other. 180 degrees, we're across from each other. And that's the main thing to note, along with clockwise to the right, counterclockwise to the left. All right. I feel like we're doing pretty good with this, so is there any final questions I can answer before we get going on 9.3b? Nope. Good.